First, log into your admin portal. Then go to Groups. Click on your group. Then go to Invitations. Here we have all of the invitations that have been sent out by your group, along with information such as when the invitation was sent and when it was accepted. If the invitation is still pending, this field will be blank. To make a new invitation, click on Create. Then fill out the invitee's email field. Next, you will be asked to select a role. An admin role will give you access to EAP, group settings, and allow you to add and remove members of the group. The only more senior role is the owner. Next, we have the supervisor role. This allows you view-only access to the admin portal. Then there is the member role, which will make them a standard user in your group. When you're ready, press Create Invitation and it will be sent to that user. Once you've sent your invitation, the user will receive an email inviting them to join your group. If the email gets stuck in their spam folder or lost, they can log in to the Engage website and go to the Groups tab. Here they will find their pending invitation and can either accept or decline the invitation.